Hi lovers, welcome back on today's vlog. Happy New Year. Guys, if you're just stopping by for the first time, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button to join this amazing family. My name is Amarachi Okoha and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, so this vlog is all about how I enjoyed my holiday season. Yeah guys, the Christmas and New Year season. So please do well to enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a lovely comment for me. Thank you so much. So without wasting much time, let's just dive straight into the video.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl? When you give me something I don't really feel, but you know that already. When I found you on the ground in the dark, now you come into my heart on the path. When you see me on the edge, you know, if the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah.
Okay, beautiful people, what happened actually is that if you look at this video very well, at this particular screen now, you realize that this moving horse is not moving at all. So I went over to the counter where you can pay money to pay so my kids can have fun, and I realized that a lot of children were standing by and their parents were busy, you know, shouting, complaining, lamenting and all that. Some even said that they just paid 2 minutes before the incident that happened. Okay, to the incident, let me just do. So I got to meet a particular mom and I was asking her what happened, and she was like, she just paid for her 3 kids. Immediately they went in, like immediately they sat on that moving horse, that she doesn't even know what happened. Maybe their power supply suddenly went out and the riding horse kind of somersault and the whole kids fell down on the floor. That thank goodness none of them was injured or no one died. So in my head and mind, I was thanking God also that we did not come early, because I don't know what would have been the outcome, but thank God no one was injured. So because of that, a lot of them is just standing, a lot of parents and kids are just standing by. The only available moving train or moving something, moving whatever they can use to have fun is this train that is moving right now. So the kids are just, you know, looking at it, you see that it won't even contain half of the people that is standing by. So the workers there decided to come and address the issue, and they were like, since most of the parents have paid for their kids and them themselves, they're not going to refund anyone, they will start by allowing the people that have paid first to enjoy the train. Then once maybe the number is reduced, the new people, that is the latecomers, me of course, we can now join. So that was it. But looking at the time, it's not even going to work. Like the time is almost there, and I was like, no. So I kind of sought my way out. Nanaija will do now, and I was able to get only my son to enter inside, because the guy was like, no, he's just going to give me one particular chance. So I took it for the sake of, you know, someone not crying, mommy, I want this. So I decided to take the chance, and only Daniel entered into the moving train. It was fun. So after this is Daniel coming down. Train is just going to move maybe about 7 to 10 minutes around the place, and the whole case will come out. The next set you hop into the moving train. This thing now phone. So this is my son jumping down, and as you can see, he was also happy. So we decided to take some pictures, and This place was filled with people. Like I couldn't even explain it. Usually it's not like this, but I guess it's the season, so a lot of people are around. But come to think of it, in my head, I thought that normally people travel during Christmas because I myself I do not travel, so I was thinking in my head that a lot of people will travel. And guess what? People were around. Like in my own area, it felt like nobody actually left. Maybe it's because of the insecurity down the east, but it's okay. We are fine. We are good. So this place is usually big. Like look at it now. Come and see a lot of cars. Like this will show you clearly that no one actually left Lagos. The people here is me. So we decided to go into the shopping mall and see what we can pick. So this is we coming back from the playing ground to the main shopping mall so we can do some shopping. So if at this point you have not clicked on that subscribe button, I'm begging you, join this amazing family. The gist never ends. Inside the shopping mall, like that is the Shoprite, go. I'm going to give you a lot of gist. That one is very hot one. So this is me and my family going inside. So guys, like I said earlier, don't go anywhere. Just enjoy this video. Make sure you watch it till the end. So this is the shopping mall inside. So now let's shop together.
Now, and you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. There you go, call on me when you come, I come. And then you go again with your jacket. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah. I have done all the limits. Going way beyond the noise, feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes down and big tunes I'm kicking. Crying out from the side now, come on in. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait.
Okay guys, this is me walking around looking for basket. So the first basket I got is already filled up and I needed another basket to start shopping. But then I could not even find any basket. Like people are still there. Then I realized that the line is not moving. Like, you know, after picking your stuff, there's this queue you have to stand before you can go to the counter for payment, and the line is not moving. Like for almost how many minutes, like the line is still there. Okay, look at it. I'm going to show you the line right now. This is a lot of people standing there, and this should be around maybe, let's say, after 6. So I was still going around looking for another basket, and my husband is already complaining. You know, men now, they are so impatient. They can't just wait for this kind of shit. And see the line. See. Okay, I have an idea. Maybe I should just tell my girl to stand in the line while I do the picking. So when I come in, I will just, you know, be on the line. But then the line itself is not even moving. Like the thing, no, they check, you know, they even move anywhere. See now, from that place that I showed you to this, see, are you seeing people standing waiting for their turn so they can pay? The gist never end though. I'm coming back. I'm still going to gist you. Enjoy. Let's go there. Almost at this point, I'm tired. Like it's almost maybe 7 o'clock, and we are still here, and the line itself is not moving. So Nigerian, there is this other way. Like if you don't want to follow this way, there is this other way that you can follow. Then get what you want. I did not say anything, but I know you know what I'm talking about. Like there is this other way you now have to follow and get things done. Because if we say let's stand here like normal and wait till the line gets to our turn, we'll just sleep in this place. So we just have to follow the other way around, and we are through. So this is the end of the shopping, but we are not done for the fun. We are not done for the celebration. Like we are still headed to another place. So this is we stepping out of the shopping mall, and here is the outside. Like you can still sit down here with family, with friends, and enjoy, eat, have fun, and do a lot of things. So in case if you're still wondering where this place is located, this place is located at Diamond Estate, Festac, like Diamond Estate. Okay, let me say, if you live around Lagos, you should know Second Rainbow. There is a bus stop called Second Rainbow. If you're coming towards that way, just tell them you want to go to Shoprite. If you're driving, they will still direct you. If you're going to be on bike, it's still fine. But if you live inside Lagos, like if you're around Festac, it's not far. Before you get to Apple Junction, there is Diamond Estate. Like when we are coming, I showed you the name. It's boldly written. So you come in, have your fun, do some shopping. There's a lot of things here, like name it, clothes, phone, kids clothes. Look at that brand there, Pep. And at this point, we are going out. It ain't shook, but what can we do? It's for the season, it's for celebration, it's for having fun. So don't go anywhere. We are still going to another place. Enjoy the video.
And you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you go, call on me when you come, I come. And then you go again with your jacket. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Running away to the land of discovery.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine.